Hola, soy Dora. Did I sound like her? No. Thanks. Hey, so we're going to the beach with our... So we're biking there to the beach. Helmet up, right?
I don't wear a helmet.
Stella.
Hey.
Gotta wear a helmet.
I haven't worn a helmet in like 5 years.
Gotta wear a helmet.
I'm not wearing a helmet.
I have a helmet for you.
No.
Please?
No.
Why not?
Because I don't like helmets.
That's not a good reason not to wear a helmet. She doesn't wear sunscreen because she doesn't want to, and she doesn't wear a helmet because she doesn't want to. Who's gonna have a concussion and skin cancer?
Turns out being you. Just kidding.
For the rest of your route. So we're gonna go in the water. If you hear like crinkling bag noises or it's like blurry, that's just because I have a plastic bag over my phone.
Oh, hi, Brad. Hi.
You can see it. This is Signy. It looks cloudy. It's not cloudy.
Hey, today we're at the beach. We're at the beach. There's Courtney. You know, it's kind of partly cloudy skies with a high of 82 degrees today. We got low currents here at the water, so that's like negative 20 degrees. I don't want to get up. What are we doing? No one tells me anything. Montage.
Montage, go.
No, wait, ready? I'm 1, 2, 3, montage.
So we're gonna get some malts. Ooh. Thank you. Thank you. Smile. Gracias. De uno. This is the day. Just say today was a great. Just say today was a good day.
I'm saying.
Say it. Try to say it as normally as possible.
Today was a good day.
Just say it straight out.
Today was a good day.
Veronica, what kind did you get?
Chocolate.
Stella,
Today was a good
take
day.
it away if you want more.
That's not the straw. Totally like a demon was coming out of you. Okay, what?